Brad Williams, Excel primed. What's the first day of the month? Gone over. Quasi review. If you don't remember, we can use this end of month function. What does it do? It returns the last day of the month. And you're saying, well, Brad, you said what's the first day of the month? Add 1. EOMONTH, go back a month, then add 1. I just think it's beautiful. I love this. Returns the last day of the month. Go back 1, then add 1 day. Otherwise, if you don't have the end of month function, in other words, you have an older version of Excel, then you can use B5. Here we go. There's B5. The day. We're going to grab the day. Day, B5. What's the day? B5. B5 minus day plus 1. B5 is going to be serial number minus day B5, which is going to be the serial number, plus 1. To determine the first day of the month for a given date, you can use a simple formula based on the day function. Here's how it works. B5 day plus 1. The day function returns a date's day value. The day value for the date in cell B5 is 11 in the example given. Well, it's the 21st. Just go with me on this one. Because dates in Excel are simple serial numbers, we can subtract 11, okay, 21, and add 1 to obtain the value for January 1, 2029. Let's look at this thing. Serial number, F9, 4177. B5 is going to be 4177. Here, we just have, I broke this apart just so I can explain it to you. We have Wednesday, B5, day, B5, Wednesday, B25. We have 21 days. 21, B5 is equal to 21. It equals itself. E5 minus F5 is, and then we add 1. And again, there's a little creativity going on in here. So we just go E5 minus F5 plus 1. It takes us to, got it? We're taking this date, Wednesday 21, and then we're subtracting 21 days, and we're adding 1 day. What does that give us? It gives us the first day of the month. See how that works? Wednesday 21 minus 21 is going to give us 0. And we're still, keep in mind, this is just a serial number. Thursday, here, I'll show you. What's the serial number here? I don't know if I'll be able to get it. Let's see, general, 4170. 4170 minus 21 is going to give us 4149. If we get this, if we go dates, just go short date, it doesn't, what did I put in it? What the heck? I think I put 4771. We're hitting F9. I don't know if we can do this. Minus 9. Anyway, you get the point. You can, all we're doing is we're just subtracting this by 23. And we're getting 0 and we're adding 1. So we have August 1st. Oh my. Use the end of month function if this is confusing. But I see it. If you don't see it, then just go through here. August 23rd minus 23 is equal to 0. There's no way we have an August 0, 2029. Hence, we add 1. Brad Williams, Excel primed.